And away we go. Underway here for whole stadium truck. Lane number 1 on the stake for Luke Christie. Gino tried to help him out, ended up turning him straight over. Luke goes through about the back of the grid. Now we have a battle on Onesie, Dominic Blackman and Geno. Working their way into the Triple A. Got a bit of a gap back to Jason Mole in the 3 spot now. Keep it clean out there, please, guys. Keep it clean. If you do tag someone, readdress it. Caution on the back straight away. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, on the front straight away here. Geno. How long can he hold the pressure of the Blackman behind? Jason Mole not far out of this one as well. So Dominic Blackman holding on to the back of Geno. Caution front straight, you've got plenty of time, Marshall. Thank you. Geno, Dominic, Jason Mole, Luke Christie starting to come back into this one. He's on the hard yard. Jason Mole almost tapped out there. Dropped off the back of the race. Out front though, just slightly. See if he can work his way back in. Luke Christie fighting it back here. Push the front straight, stay this side of the front straight. See now, Luke straight up the inside of Jason Mole there. Didn't even fight it. So Luke on a charge home. So Luke coming down front straight. Thanks for the second place there. Third place to follow somewhat shortly. Through the Moguls goes your leaders. Yeah, home strong there. Over Dominic Blackman. Christie home strong. Leaders coming through here, coming through. Oh, they get something up there. Second place coming through. Thank you. Third place to follow. Third there. Fourth place not far behind as well. Thank you. Mistake there for Luke Christie. He's going to drop back down the order. Jason Mole goes through long as well. The top line is the 74 goal, 20 Blackman, and Luke Christie. Second. Third. Triple goes below. Second place to follow shortly. Seven. They gap on some by 1.4 seconds between Geno and Tom. Second as they come from the loop. Luke Christie this time around. Geno starting to pull that gap out. Stay this side of the straight. We'll get through the back when we get there. Time around, 2.1 seconds to the finish. Happy under pressure. Please man from our winning out. Now Luke come around. Making his way onto the front straight away. Plenty of room coming down the front straight. Caught to the front straight, stay inside. Here now. Now stepping up, so third force closing in shortly. Good here, Mark Fisher up to P4. He's coming. Through the back to Luke Christie coming down the back straight away. Enjoy some hard yards with 1 minute 45 on the clock. Meanwhile, Jensen Spencer clean to the heels. One step of the foot long out there. He goes 1 minute 30 left on the clock. Dominic Blackman having a great run as well, not too far behind. The gap has gotten a little bit smaller, 2.5 seconds through quite empty. Great driving. That's that four easily spread out there. Buffalo goes your leader. Buffalo goes second. Second place closing in. Second place on place like you. Third place and fourth place just follow shortly. Leader going down the back straight. Plenty room here, please. Plenty room here. The top line is the 74 goal, 20 Blackman, and Luke Christie. Second place coming through. Third place, fourth place to come. From Dominic Blackman. Dom's got nothing for him at the moment. We have 5 seconds left on the clock. Finish having it close, yellow. Got 25. Down the front straight away. Jensen takes it. Dominic Stack taking on over Jensen. Luke Christie coming over the field. Mark, this is a big mover. Almost on another grid. Up to P4.